In this lesson, we are going to revisit what we learnt in part 1, as well as learn how to sing along to the second verse and chorus. We will also learn how to play 2 more instrumental sections and perform the whole piece from start to finish. So, let's get started.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4.
This is a quick reminder of the notes which you will play in both parts, the melody and the harmony, to Let's Dance. So from low to high, low A, D, E, F sharp, G sharp, key on the left, A in the middle, make sure your clarinet is warmed up. Use long sounds on your favourite notes and see how many beats you can hold each note for. Feel free to pause the video and warm your instrument up a little bit more with long notes if you need to. Now I'd like you to copy back some rhythms. The first rhythm is on the note E. So my turn first, then over to you. F sharp. G sharp. A. Could you feel which lines of the song the rhythms matched up with? Rewind the video to listen again and work out the words for each rhythm. Let's put it together now from the start. We will sing the first verse and chorus, then we will play it. I'll be playing the top melody line in red, starting on E.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Hey baby, won't you take a chance? Say that you'll let me have this dance, so let's dance. Let's dance. We'll do the twist, the stop, the mashed potato too. Any old dance that you wanna do. Let's dance. Let's dance. We'll put it together from the start now. We'll sing the first verse, chorus, and then play it. This is the harmony line in blue, starting on E.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Hey baby, won't you take a chance? Say that you'll let me have this dance, so let's dance. link section and then the ending. In the quaver link section we have repeated quavers leading to crotchets. Each quaver is worth half a beat, so when you play each bar think 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and till you get to the crotchets. Keep your fingers pressed down and use the tongue to repeat the notes. The top melody line in red starts in low A, moves to C sharp and then E. The harmony line in blue starts on A and moves to E. And for the ending, the top line starts on E and at the end jumps up to A. And in the harmony line, it repeats starting on E.
So now it's time for our final performance. Choose which part you are going to play. You'll hear the count in and the introduction. Then you'll sing the first verse and the chorus. Then you'll play a verse, play a chorus, and then you'll play the quaver link section. Then you'll sing a verse and a chorus again, before finally playing another verse and chorus, remembering to repeat the last short phrase 3 times. Remember, you can pause, rewind or review any section of this video or last week's video to help you practice this piece at home.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hey baby, won't you take a chance? Say that you'll let me have this dance. Let's dance. We'll do the twist and stomp, the mask potato too. Any old dance that you want to do. Let's dance. Hey baby, if you're all alone, baby you'll let me walk you home. Let's dance. Let's dance. We'll do the twist and stomp, the mask potato too. Any old dance that you want to do. Let's dance. Let's dance.
done everyone, you've done a great job listening to each tutor and you've taken the time to pause and practice along the way. Remember, you can watch any part of this video as many times as you like to help you practice the piece at home. So keep up the good work and hope you look forward to more Wicket celebration pieces coming your way soon.